Hello, my name is Eddie Alexander, and I am a senior mechanical engineer here at SV Microwave. As part of my role, I ensure that SV's complete line of embedded computing products are compliant with the SOSA technical standard. First, I would like to briefly answer the question, what is SOSA? SOSA stands for Open System Architecture. Its focus is to create a unified open systems architecture that will assist radar, signal intelligence, EOIR, electronic warfare, and communication platforms. SOSA's technical standard pulls from other government initiatives and prominent industry standard bodies, such as IEEE, VITA, ANSI, and others. SV Microwave is a producer of SOSA-Aligned RF hardware used by the defense industry. Now, I would like to explain how SV Microwave can help your company achieve SOSA alignment. SV has been a contributing member with SOSA from its early beginnings. Many of the products that we developed in key VITA working groups have become part of SOSA's technical standard. When you combine this with our heritage of conformance to military standards, SV is positioned to support the entire RF signal path from sensor antenna to an optimized board launch footprint. At SV Microwave, we continuously create prototypes and share validation data to ensure the most reliable, cutting-edge, and cost-effective solutions are available. For example, we spearheaded the effort to have industry-recognized interfaces like SMPM, SMPS adopted as an open standard. Within VITA 67.3, and most recently, we've created RF fiber hybrid modules within VITA 66.5. To demonstrate some of the products SV can provide for SOSA alignment, we have rendered here a mock chassis with SOSA-aligned components. First, let's take a look outside the chassis. Here, we have two D30-999 connectors. One is SOSA's J8 high-density RF connector with 19 size 12 SMPM contacts. The other is SOSA's J9 low-loss RF connector with 8 size 8 BMB contacts. For these I/O connectors, SV Microwave can provide the contacts, cable assemblies, and/or complete harness assemblies for the bulkhead receptacle or the mating plug umbilical. Next, let's move to inside the chassis. We see that the cable size 8 and size 12 38999 contacts are allowed to transition to backplane modules. Here, we are showing two separate backplane modules. One is SOSA's 14-port SMPM module, and the other is SOSA's 19-port SMPS module. Both of these modules conform to VITA 67.3 and provide a common interface for both backplane and plug-in card manufacturers. At SV Microwave, we supply the industry with VITA SMPM and SMPS modules and contacts customized to all cable types, from low-loss 086 to flexible 047. As we move through the backplane and plug-in modules, SV Microwave can provide a wide range of board mount connectors, from edge launch to right angle to vertical board mounts to multi-ports, all optimized to fit your launch footprint. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how SV Microwave can support your next embedded system project, please use the Contact Us form on our website, and either myself or one of our team of qualified engineers will get back to you.